Now, terms of credit. So, while giving the loans, the lender has to check for the security of future payment. For that, he what do is he signs an agreement with the borrower, which specifies the terms of credit, each and every terms. Okay, so an agreement which consists of interest rate, security, documentation, and mode of repayment. These are called as terms of credit. That is, what are the conditions of credit. So in case if a borrower fails to repay the loan, कभी ऐसा हुआ अगर, then what happened, the lender has the right to obtain his amount by selling the collateral. That is, in which in that agreement it was written. Okay, whatever interest rate, collateral security, that is, when we are taking loan, what is the security we are giving. Okay, that कि in as I am taking loan from you, so उसके against में या उसके बदले में ये चीज़ रख रही हूँ. So what happened after that, if you are unable to pay the amount, then they have the right to keep it that with them. Okay, so that is why it is written here that they obtain their amount by selling the collateral. So the terms of credit may vary from one credit arrangement to another. So they may vary depending on the nature of the lender and borrower. Okay, so the sources of credit, if we say money lender and local traders, okay, banks, cooperative, and other sources like relatives, friends, etc. So these are the sources of credit जहाँ से हम credit ले सकते हैं. बैंक से लिया, cooperative society से लिया, okay, then other sources like relatives से लिया, friends से लिया, हम लेते हैं. Yes, so these are some of the sources of credit. So here, as we are discussing the sources of credit, so here formal and informal sources of credit. That is, the sources of credit are categorized. Okay, it is categorized as formal and informal sources of credit. So RBI, that is our Reserve Bank of India, okay, is India's central banking institution that supervises the functioning of formal sources of credit. Okay, so RBI monitors that the bank in actually maintaining the cash balance, and RBI only seeks information regarding how much money a bank is lending to whom and at what interest rate. Okay, and make sure that the bank give loans to every category of the peoples, though profit making business or a farmer. Okay, so the functions of RBI, if we say, RBI issue currencies on behalf of central government. Okay, then it regulates money and credit, keeps on tracking on working of the other commercial bank, and RBI facilitates all the bank activities for the central and state government. Okay, so these are the functions of RBI. Now comes self-help group. Okay, so self-help group, it is a group of 15 to 20 members, usually from the same locality. And what they do is they saves their money depending on the ability of the person to save. So any member of the group can take loan from this, that is self-help group, at an interest rate which is small than what money lender charges. जो मनी लेंडर से हम लेते हैं तो जितना इंटरेस्ट मिलता है उससे कम होता है इसमें सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप. So in 1 or 2 years the group become eligible to take loan from the bank, and the loan is sanctioned in the name of the group only, not individual. ठीक है, जो लोन मिलता है वो इस सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के नाम से ही सैंक्शन किया जाता है. ओके, सो द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप they help the borrowers to overcome their problems, okay, in different ways, and they get timely loans for their different purposes. Yes, and that also at a reasonable rate. Okay, that is self help group. Now if we conclude this, it is said that money is the medium of exchange that eliminates the need for barter system. Okay, and money has several advantages as a medium of exchange, that is those who are avoiding the problem of coincidence. Now store of value, unit of accounting, and also old forms of money are what we have discussed, that is grains, gold and copper, and modern forms of money are currency, deposits in a bank, yes, checks and all. And to meet the present need of money, people often take loan from various sources such as banks, then cooperative, money lenders, friends and relatives, and bank also keeps small portion of the deposit as a cash, and they give the major part as loan to the borrowers. Okay, and they are used to deposit user cash or to lend the money as a loan, and the bank gives interest to the depositor on their money and charges interest to borrowers. So the interest rate for borrowers is higher than the depositor. Thus, what happened? The amount obtained from the interest earned, they will minus it interest which is given is the main source of income for any bank. Okay. Then credit, it is an agreement that gives right to money lender that he can sell borrowers collateral to obtain his money. That is borrowers collateral, जो भी borrowers ने security रखा है, that they can sell it and obtain their money. So credit is the essential part for any business to meet the present need of capital. Okay, so credit varies between formal and informal sources. Now at present, rich people receives credit from formal sources while poor people gets credit from informal sources of credit. So to make the balance between rich and the poor people should also get credit from formal sources such as banks, cooperative societies and all. Then it will be lateral, isn't it? So go through the chapters, read it carefully, and I think notes you had already got. So complete the exercise of the chapter also. Thank you so much, bachas. God bless you.